I decided during my years in college to become a doctor. I guess it was mostly the profession that would allow me to help people the most. During medical school rotations, I found surgery to be the most rewarding, best way that I found that I could interact with people and diagnose what the problem was and treat it. My approach has always been to make sure that what I do is in the best interest of patients and what's going to benefit them most, and do things in a way that it's not causing more problems than solutions. A big part of being in surgery is knowing when not to operate as well as when to operate. So I think it's important to be able to recognize a problem that can be helped versus a problem that needs different type of attention. Hopefully establish a good rapport, conversation about what the issue or problem we're addressing is, try to define that well, and then go through what the various options are for best approaching that particular problem and how best to address it in a way that's going to be most beneficial to the patient. Some instances, the role is basically be there and do what we need to do to take care of the issue. In other cases, there is some things that the patients need to do to help facilitate their recovery, and we usually try to communicate that well and outline what their expectations are, what they need to do or not do after a procedure. Again, that's different depending on the procedure being done. And as a general surgeon, I do a lot of different type of procedures, so that can vary depending on the patient situation, the surgery that's being done. I guess I would hope that people would have an experience that they found was comfortable and positive, accomplished what they needed to have accomplished, and was done in an environment in a way that was beneficial to them. I like the area. The facility is a beautiful place to work. It's a nice place to live and play, and I like to hunt and fish and do a lot of outdoor activities and spend a lot of time chasing my kids around in their different sporting activities. And great place to raise a family. It's been, I can't imagine a better place to raise my children, and the land, the water, the weather. Even though there's lots of snow, it's really a nice place to live.